Get ready for the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. Huawei has quietly unveiled this powerhouse, adding even more excitement to their Mate 60 series. And guess what? There's a juicy leak about its memory options. Hold on to your seats because this beast will rock a hopping 16 gigabytes of RAM. But wait, there's more. You can choose between a generous 512 gigabytes or a mind-blowing 1 TB of storage. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket. Now for the grand finale, the starting price is set to be CNY 8,999. That's approximately $1,231 or 1,150 euros. You won't believe the value you're getting for such a powerful device. But that's not all, folks. The Mate 60 Pro Plus promises to be the superhero of the lineup, boasting a quad-camera setup that will leave you in awe. And if you thought the Porsche design was fancy, hold on to your hats because Huawei is cooking up the Aura's ultimate design variant for those who demand nothing but the finest. Premium materials? Check. Now when it comes to pricing, it's all par for the course in the world of flagships. Just to give you a taste, the Mate 50 Pro from the previous series cost a pretty penny, £1,200 in the UK or 1,200 euros in continental Europe. But here's the kicker. It had only 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, which you could expand by an extra 256 gigabytes with an NM card. So you're definitely getting more bang for your buck with the Mate 60 Pro Plus. Now here's the cliffhanger. Will Huawei be kind enough to share these incredible phones with the rest of the world? We're all on the edge of our seats, waiting for the official word. Stay tuned for more updates.